Okay, Jim is going to show us how to raise and lower the machine for different doors. There's a button right there that says elevator, and you push that elevator button and it raises up, and you go just past your the size of your door a little bit, and then let go of it and it'll drop back down to the size you want. This will go clear to a 4.0 door. What you do is you take it to a 3.0 right there, and then you raise the top part and to the size you need to get it to. It'll go clear to a 4.0 door, and you don't have to drill any holes in your floor or anything like that, like the old Magnums. Okay, Jim, you're going to set it back down to okay, now this
actually a 3/4 under 36, so you have to adjust here to adjust for that.
okay, if they're a little bit undersized, there's an adjustment right there that you use. Okay, Jim, now he's going to bevel the door. Okay, Jim is going to turn the bore on and the face bore and the bolt drill on, and he'll start them to operating, and they'll be drilling the face bore and the bolt drill while he routes the hinge pocket. You'll notice when he raises the drill up, the drill goes off, and then when he sets it back down, it goes back into operation. It starts back up. Okay, now, while the door is in position, he can screw some hinges on. Now, if he had those overhead trolleys with screwdrivers and a drill on them, they'd be very handy for him. And we're not real good at this. Guys get real fast with it. We don't have a magnet on the end of our screwdriver and things, so just bear with us. We're going to just put a couple, about 4 screws in each hinge. We're not going to do them up all completely like they should, you know, with 8 screws in each hinge, because we don't want to waste your time. But we'll just show you how it's, give you an idea how it's done. Most of these are one of the more popular machines, this style of machine. More people know how to operate these types of machines than about any other. We're not real good at operating any machines. We work on them, we don't operate them. And especially it's hard to do with that screwdriver he's using. These are 5/8 radius hinges, and we're routing for 1/4 inch. We got a 1/4 inch bit in the gun. Okay, now Jim is going to unclamp the door. Okay, Jim is ready. You pull the door forward, the jamb forward, then you move the jamb the door about 10 inches up to the next stop, and then you route out the faceplate. Which just takes a second. He probably got it good. This is a solid core door, so it's very heavy for Jim to, I wasn't looking either, but it's very heavy for Jim to do. And but we've got the bore, you've got the faceplate, you've got the, open up the jamb there a little bit. You got your 3 hinges. You can put 4. You can put as many as spaces as you have in the machine. Like I said, everything is working on the machine. We've gone through it. This little switch right here is for a vacuum that you could turn on and would vacuum a lot of the sawdust out of it. We did the bevel turn out good, and no, it's not there. It beveled I don't know if we can see here, but it's got a very nice bevel, and with broken edges. It's got air. I'm not on the door. It's got very nice broken edges. The finish on there is very good. On the door, the finish is very good and smooth. I look at the door instead of the machine. Okay, we got it.
Oh, I know I've got it.
You didn't clamp it up. Jim made a boo-boo, but anyway, the machine is all right. Everything works on it just fine. There's like it's got everything it needs.